Need serious storage for long rides? Check out the NightCruiser Touring Tail Bag. Secure the bag to your luggage rack or sissy bar using the mounting straps. Tighten everything for a firm, stable fit before you hit the road. This 4-piece touring bag features a spacious 2-piece PVC touring pack, zip-off side pockets for added versatility, quick-release buckles for easy access, and stylish studded detailing. Built for touring, designed for convenience, the NightCruiser gives you the storage and flexibility every long-distance rider needs. Scan the QR for other bike models' compatibility